ports over here with a little weather protector that really doesn't do anything because it doesn't really stay in there. It does if it's empty, but it doesn't really help when you have one of the slots filled, which you have to have. Opens up like that. Pretty slick, huh? Look at that. Little itty bitty guy. This is 100 watts. It comes with these little angle adapters, I suppose you'd call them. Legs. Anyway, you just slip them under here. You can adjust the angle with these little knobs. There you go. Pointing the wrong way, of course. There we go. And it's pretty easy to pick up and carry just like that. So you can, because I'm having to adjust this, I don't know how many times a day, depending on where the sun is, of course. So that makes it way easy. So 100 watts versus 80 or 85 watts? What is this? I forget. This is 80 watts. This side glass is cracked, but still works. So 80 watts versus 100 watts. And this one I've actually been getting about 125 watts out of it sometimes. But it easily reaches 100 watts. This is way better than the last one I had already. And I really like this rigid board here. Still thin, and folds up really compact, as you saw, but gives it some rigidity. And I think maybe some longevity as well. I'm hoping this lasts a while. Oh, I suppose I should probably plug it in, huh? Okay, here's a tip for you people using solar panels. Always plug it in. Now I've got the plug down towards the bottom here. I could turn this around. I don't think it really matters though, does it? Yeah, if it rains, water could run down. I think I will flip it over. Oops. There. Now, let's still remove the plug this in. Oh, and I think my angle just changed on that one. There we go. Okay. Yes, and plug it in. And there we go. And there's a little, I doubt the video can see it, a little solar intensity gauge here. Right now it's 3 out of 4. We do have a little cloud coverage up there. But yeah, loving my new Topsolar. Yeah, this thing kicks ass. This has been a good solar panel for years. And it still is working great. It's just big and bulky. So here's my little solar setup. 180 watts total. Although, like I say, this one hits above 100 quite a bit. So it's really like 200 watts of solar. Let's just call it 200 watts. Sounds cooler. Yeah, I got 200 watts.